Welcome to the WaveLinx Cat Dual Tech OCS installer video.
The OCS is sold in three options: 600, 1,200, and 2,000 square foot coverage areas. All three have the same form factor and can be mounted at heights of 12 feet with spring-loaded clips per mounting to tile. The model number is on the back of the unit and should match the sticker on the front of the box. In the box, you'll also find a trim ring for mounting the sensor in a back box in a hard ceiling, for example, as well as instructions. The Cat5 communication lines get connected here on the back of the unit with the cover removed. You can get to the factory reset button when held per 5 seconds. The unit factory resets. We also see the photocell, the dual-tech occupancy sensor, and the LED indicators that tell us that the sensor is seeing movement. To install the OCS sensor and tile, you'll need a 3-inch hole, saw, drill, and something to measure with. Use the straight angle and a pencil to mark the center of the customer-facing side of the tile. You can drill 2 pieces of tile at a time using the 3-inch hole saw. Drill out the marked location on the tile. Set the trim ring aside. Pull the spring-loaded tabs in and push the sensor into place. The spring tabs lock the sensor to the tile. Install the tile into the ceiling. Finally, plug the Cat5 connectors into the OCS sensor. Every Cat5 connector should have something plugged into it. When powered for the first time, the sensor will blink green and then blink blue as it sees motion OCS backbox installation. After marking the center of the tile and knocking out the hole in the center of the back box, use the back box as a template to cut out the tile. The back box used is a 4-inch octagon that needs to be at least 2 1/8 inch deep. Next, remove the metal adapter plate from the plastic trim ring by snapping the 4 tabs. Now mount the metal adapter plate to the back box. Don't over-tight compress the spring-loaded tabs to remove them from the occupancy sensors housing. The springs can be reinstalled if needed. Now reattach the plastic trim ring to the metal adapter plate using the 4 tabs. Finally, plug the Cat5 cables into the OCS sensor. WaveLinx Cat devices are wired in a daisy chain, and it doesn't matter which port the Cat5 cables are plugged into, but there should be a Cat5 cable or Cat5 terminator plugged into each port. Insert the sensor into the trim ring. I hope this video was informative, and thanks for watching.